typical Grega.
Okay guys, we are going to the airport and we are leaving, no airport, bus station, train station, and we are leaving to where?
Desert.
The desert, yeah, the desert, but nobody knows exactly where, so it's a little bit of surprise. We are on a train station, we are going to Jaisalmer, okay? So we see what happens on the train today. Every day happens something, so I hope we will have fun. Toilets or what is this water? For washing hands. Thank you. This is an Indian train. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you sit. So if you sit like this, okay, there's no one sitting, you can watch outside. Put the windows for a little breeze so it's not that hot. And then when you want to go to sleep, you just push this like this. And this is a little bit, I will put it like this. And like this. Then you can sleep here.
Yeah, come.
Or you can sleep up here. Or up here. $150 the whole lunch. Okay, we will tell this guy our seats. This is the head guy in this train
How do you know?
because of the tablet. Buy popcorn, you can buy like anything you want, sweets, you see, you have a very nice guy selling it, so you can get anything you want on the train, yeah? Every time we go on a train, we have Indian friends come and we have a party, like this.
Your channel name?
Is it nice? Spicy? A little bit?
Not spicy.
Nice.
Not
The
spicy.
big one. Because regular.
Not small one.
The big one like this.
Wait.
Not spicy.
Not spicy. Not spicy. Seriously.
I want foreigner wife. My name is Ganesh. इसको कहते हैं अठाना की मिर्चा.
अठाना की मिर्चा.
हाँ. अठाना की मिर्चा.
Yes.
Thank you.
एक और ले लो मैडम.
No. Like
You have to take it down with whiskey, you know, like this.
Some rum.
Rum.
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe ti prosim en ta robček, pomesto streso manj robček. Like this. When it's added, you take the box, you throw it out the window.
No,
You
don't do it.
throw it out.
No.
You keep it for the safety of the country and for the nice country being. That is life on the train in India.
It's always fun to travel with the train. Okay guys, this is the biggest luxury here in India. I can show you. So you get your room. Just 2 people. You can close the door. But they are almost all empty. It's very hot on the train, so I went up and down the train and I found this room. It's empty, but this is like luxury class. They have air conditioning, so it's very cool. So I'm sneaking here.
Grega with his friends.
Okay, we are talking about the differences in our culture. So here we have Indian culture and
Opa.
here is in Slovenian culture, and we are talking about our differences and our religion, what we eat and everything like this. So it's interesting for them and it's interesting for us too. So it's very nice. Always travel with the train. That's very important, guys, because you know the people. The sleeper class, don't go luxury. There you won't meet nice people like this. Our next destination is
Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer.
After 10 interesting hours of talking, sleeping, eating. We are finally here.
Yeah, tomorrow, where we are going tomorrow?
The desert.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited! Okay, this is Jaisalmer fortress. Okay, these guys are carrying huge weight on their heads, very powerful. Okay guys, this is our jeep. Very nice indeed. Urshka, are you ready? Flash. Okay girls, are you ready for a trip? Yay! The golden city, but not for all its inhabitants. See you in the room. Room. It's amazing.
The colors, the style of India.
Hey guys, let's go and see where my friend Urbano will sleep tonight.
Let's see.
Under the stars.
It's a 1,000,000-star hotel.
What?
Oh my
And
God,
the
guys,
things
look
are
at-
coming. Look at this.
Nice.
Okay, look at the view. Come on, guys.
Sabo. Oh, this is for the date or something like that.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame.
That's why I only speak. No read, no write. He's sometime problem because I never been to school even one day. No school.
Even I write 7
Street
rooms,
school.
he thinks 6 rooms.
No, you learn right. No, look.
Yeah, laga.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come?
That guys, personalized
Pasta.
dinner, pasta, Italian food here in India.
A sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.